Let's do a quick unboxing of Google Pixel 10a. I'm gonna show you what accessories can we find inside the box and how the phone looks like. So let's get right into it. We're gonna place it up here. There we go. Of course we have our phone, but we're gonna take a look at it in a second. First, let's see over here what we can find inside. So if we take out this paper box, here we can find our USB-C cable. It is USB-C to USB-C. Of course, there is no power adapter inside, so that's a bummer, but quite standard nowadays. Over here we can find the SIM eject tool that is used in order to, of course, eject the SIM tray from the phone. Here we can find a bunch of papers, I assume. Is there anything else in here? No, it doesn't look like it. Alright. So what do we get here? We get the information about, for example, the IP rating and so on, and the battery, I guess. We have the support book, so I assume like a quick manual. And that is pretty much it. Nothing else can be found inside. So now let's take a look at the phone. Alright, so here is how the phone looks like. So on the right side we can find the power button and volume buttons, quite normal. On the back we have the camera, which is now completely hidden. There is no camera bump at all. On 9A there was like a really tiny bump, but it was still pretty flat. This time they reduced it completely. At the top we can find, I assume, a microphone. It looks like this is the microphone. On the left side we can find the SIM tray, and then at the bottom we can find the USB-C port. I believe one of these, well, both of them should be speaker, I assume, at least they look like it. And that is pretty much it. So leave a like and subscribe.